So I thought I'd give you all just a quick update on camping on the Gulf down at Miramar Beach. So I've given you a couple of three videos on this before, but this is 2023. Things have changed. You got RV hookups, you've got camping, you've got cabins there at Miramar Beach, camping on the Gulf. You have glamping. You can actually get a tent and sleep in a tent there. And there's recreational rentals and all sorts of special events there. But we paid $150 a night. We're not right on the beach, but we're maybe 25, 30 yards from the beach. And I think the cabins are going for around $350 a night. Not sure what the tents are, a little bit like that. But anyway, here's just a few quick snippets of camping. It used to be called Camp Gulf before they changed the name to Camping on the Gulf. The emerald green waters were awesome this past week there in Miramar Beach. So bring your Maui Jims, your Goodr, G-O-O-D-R, sunglasses for 25 bucks if you really want to see some awesome waters there. Enjoy these updated snippets. And yeah, it was funny being on the beach. You listen to the roar of all the people talking, and they're all talking about their batteries. They're talking about their rigs. They're talking about their fifth wheels, their travel trailers, their Class C's, Class B's, So it's kind of funny being there on the beach, and it's all campers there. Enjoy this update from Rod's Random Reviews, and thanks for your comments, likes, and shares. Here we go. So entering camping on the Gulf. You have your code entered here. And of course it's 5 miles per hour. Here we are coming in. You'll see there's all kinds of RVs here. That one's 30 years old at least. Looks like he's been there a minute, as we say. There are cabins over here that you can rent. Not even sure there's a bedroom there. It's probably all just one unit, kind of a kitchen, bedroom, all in one. But yeah, you can go from some low-end RVs here to several $100,000. We saw some that are probably going for $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 each. There's another Super C over there, along with Class A's and a lot of fifth wheels and travel trailers. So camping on the Gulf, I want you to drive slowly, 4.5 miles per hour. I may have said this earlier, but man, some of these bicyclists are going 10, 11, some of them even going 12 miles per hour. So the bicyclists are in danger of taking folks. So here we go with one of the swimming pools. I do believe they are heated. Don't quote me on that, but it seems like I've learned in the wintertime particularly, they are heated. So when you're driving in, you do not unhook at the front. You come to the activity center here and you unhook your vehicle, towing vehicle, right here where I'm zeroed in on. So your first indication is to I need to unhook as quickly as possible, because you can't back up, you know, with a Blue Ox towing machine. But yeah, this is right here next to the basketball court is where you will stop and unhook your tow vehicle. And of course, some nice playgrounds here for the kids. And here is a pond that has a lot of frogs in it that croak at night. So if you don't like to hear the frogs croak at night, you might want to ask for a different location. So here we are at Miramar Beach. It is, what, about the 6th of May, and we are RVing here at Camping on the Gulf. And it's a very beautiful beach. If you have Maui gems or some polarized lens, you can really see some very cool water here, clear, crystal clear, that sort of thing. What's interesting here is all of the rumble or the discussion you hear people talk about is about their RV, about their hookups, about what kind of rig they have. Is it too big? Is it too little? If you can't afford Maui gems, just discovered a new brand. It's called Goodr, Goodr. And let me tell you what, they're 25 bucks, 35 bucks, somewhere in that neighborhood. And they really make a helicopter going over here. But they really make the ocean pop. I wished I could put this video through there, but yeah, Camping on the Gulf, about $150 a night for one of the larger 50 amp slots. Probably on the beach. I mean, if you're literally on the beach, it may be a little more expensive, probably is, but you do not have sewer hookups if you're one of those lucky 12 or 15 campers that are on the beach. And I mean, your feet are on the sand, and at night you can just sit out and listen to the waves come in here on the Gulf of Mexico. Here's our hookup situation at Camping on the Gulf, slot 533. By the way, how many of you folks lock your surge protector? I think I'm gonna start locking mine with a cable. Of course, running some filters, running the pressure, water pressure valve back here rather than next to the unit because there's just not room there. I'm gonna get an L pump there, but anyway, just to give you an idea of the hookups here at Camping on the Gulf. Of course, right now we don't have anyone beside us, and we were across from the frog pond and turtle pond. You're going to hear the frogs at night if you happen to be in spot 533. So obviously, here's your dumpsters. They do have a lot of garbage cans around next to the laundry, but the garbage cans they want you to use for your soda pops or whatever. But now that we have a washer and dryer in our RV, we don't use the campground laundries, but this is kind of what it looks like here. Please remove clothes promptly. Standard.
Two of them, side by side, right here. It's like straight out at the very end of where it's kind of an aqua. He's gonna come up right.
Dolphins. I saw it. I just saw his fin. It's hard to tell on the camera, but I saw his fin. Castles in the sand, castles in the sand. Paddleboarder is seeing some dolphins here at Camping on the Gulf. Come on, dolphins. Come on, dolphins. Paddleboarder is resting for the dolphins. More sights and sounds of Destin. Just right now from Camping on the Gulf. Yeah, Maui gems are some Polaroid sunglasses you can see right clear through the bottom of the Emerald Coast here. clear emerald blue, emerald green. So here we are at Surf Hut, and getting ready to have a little food here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Good day for a kite. Let's get a little beach access here. Camping on the Gulf again. You guys seen me do this before. Pretty nice setup here. As you see, here we are in May.